Welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment, and I got a package, and we're gonna open it up and see what I got today. Okay, these I ordered. These are stove counter gap covers, and I ordered this because on the side of my stove and my counters, there's a gap, and sometimes food and stuff falls in between that gap, and this is supposed to stop that. This is heat resistant, temperature 40 to 230 degrees Celsius. It comes in 3 colors: clear, black, and white. It is dishwasher safe. You simply hold them under suds, water, and wash, or you can put them on the top shelf of the dishwasher, and they're easy to cut. So I am going to demonstrate this for you, and it's smooth rubber. It has a lip, and this lip goes in the crack. Inside joke. Okay. I am going to get ahead and take these over to the stove so you can see how they look. The lip. Oh, sorry. And this is how it is. And you can buy these in different lengths. They sell them at Walmart, Amazon. On the left, it's a perfect fit, and on the right, I have a little bit of the height is off, but it still works, and hopefully I don't have to pull out the stove to clean it anymore. These are stove counter gap covers. Likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.